Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Friday inaugurated the second edition of Khelo India Winter Games World in the world-famous ski resort of Gulmarg through video conferencing, saying that it is a step towards making Jammu and Kashmir a winter sports hub and developing new sporting ecosystem in the Union Territory. Jammu and Kashmir Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha and the Union Minister Kiran Rijiju, besides advisors, were also present on the occasion. The inauguration by the Prime Minister was followed by a march past by the participating teams from 27 states and UTs.
भारत की प्रभावी उपस्थिति के साथ ही जम्मू कश्मीर को इसका एक प्रमुख हब बनाने की तरफ बहुत बड़ा कदम है। मैं जम्मू कश्मीर को और देश भर से आए सभी खिलाड़ियों को बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं देता हूं।
Newly appointed Director of All India Institute of Medical Sciences, Jammu, Dr. Shakti Gupta, on Friday called on Union Minister Dr. Jitendra Singh and discussed the roadmap for AIIMS Jammu, which is going to start its first academic session of MBBS this year with 50 students. Dr. Shakti Gupta expressed his profound gratitude for entrusting him with the prestigious assignment and assured that he will try his best to live up the expectations of Dr. Jitendra Singh. Former Rajya Sabha member and senior Congress leader Ghulam Nabi Azad arrived in Jammu on a 3-day visit on Friday to a rousing reception at the airport by the party leader and the workers. During his 3-day visit, Azad will be attending social and religious functions of Gandhi Global Family, Guru Ravidas Sabha and Gurjar Desh Charitable Trust before returning to Delhi on Sunday. The displaced person from Pakistan-occupied Jammu and Kashmir held protest demonstration near Press Club Jammu on Friday. Highlighting the issues on the displaced persons, they alleged that DPs are facing harassments at the hands of some officials connected with PM package amount distribution. Days after second anniversary of the Pulwama terrorist attack, the Government of India has provided ferry facility to the Central Reserve Police Force Jawans deployed in Kashmir. The soldiers going on leave from Kashmir will be transported to nearby destination through Mi-17 helicopter to avoid IED attacks. The decision was implemented by the Ministry of Home Affairs and an order had been issued by the CRPF. Union Minister of Youth Affairs and Sports Kiran Rijiju on Friday said Srinagar will be made a hub of water sports. He also informed that Sports Ministry had decided to give a Khelo India Academy accreditation to Mata Vaishno Devi Sports Complex. Rijiju made these comments on the sideline of the launch of the second edition of Khelo India Winter Games in Gulmarg, Jammu and Kashmir by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who inaugurated the sports meet virtually.
पिछली बार जब पहली बार खेलो इंडिया गेम्स का आयोजन हुआ तो खेलो इंडिया विंटर गेम्स के लिए हम लोगों के पास बहुत ज्यादा एक्सपीरियंस नहीं था। खेलो इंडिया विंटर गेम्स का पहली बार हमने प्लानिंग किया।
The results of Class 10 board examination will be conducted by Jammu and Kashmir Board of School Education was declared on Friday with an overall pass percentage of 75%. Ironically, over a dozen of government schools recorded zero pass percentage in the valley, where 18,626 students failed the board examination that was held last year. World-famous ski resort of Gulmarg and other upper reaches in Kashmir Valley received fresh snowfall early Friday morning, with plains, including summer capital Srinagar, have experienced a very light to moderate rain resulting in dip in the mercury. The Met Department spokesperson had issued a warning of isolated heavy rain, snows and thunderstorm showers in Kashmir Valley during the next 24 hours, which could impact surface traffic. Weather will be improving from the March 1st. The Ministry of Home Affairs on Friday issued an order to extend the existing COVID-19 guidelines for surveillance, containment and caution to remain in force up to March 31st. According to the press release, the ministry had asked the states to speed up the COVID-19 vaccination drive. The ministry had advised taking strict containment measures following within the containment zones.